Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into a fun and unique gift idea just in time for Mother's Day.
If you're looking for something special to celebrate Mom, these are the best Mother's Day wine labels you can find.
Let's talk about the Mommy's First Milestones wine bottle label stickers from Big Dot of Happiness.
These wine bottle labels aren't just labels. They're a delightful way to add a personal touch to a gift for Mom.
Each set includes 4 beautifully designed stickers, each with its own witty theme that celebrates those precious moments of motherhood.
Made with high-quality materials right here in the USA, these labels are not only durable but also feature a glossy finish that adds a touch of elegance to any bottle. They're waterproof too, so you don't have to worry about chilling your favorite bottle of wine or spirits before applying them.
Applying these labels is a breeze.
You don't even need to remove the original bottle labels. Just peel off one of these Mommy's First Milestone stickers, carefully apply it to your room temperature bottle, and smooth it down. It's that simple to transform an ordinary bottle into a thoughtful and personalized gift. Whether you're gifting them individually or creating a curated gift basket, these labels make for a memorable present that any mom will appreciate. Imagine presenting her favorite bottle adorned with a label that celebrates her mommy's time out or her first girls' night out.
It's sure to bring a smile to her face. Have you ever used wine bottle labels like these to personalize a gift?
Let me know in the comments below.
And if you're enjoying this review,
don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and gift ideas. In conclusion, the Mommy's First Milestones wine bottle label stickers from Big Dot of Happiness are not just labels. They're a creative way to show appreciation to the special moms in your life. With their ease of use, high-quality design, and ability to personalize any bottle, they truly stand out as the best Mother's Day wine labels available.